Wipe up. To clean a liquid or spill from a surface by using a cloth, paper, or something similar. He quickly wiped up the water on the floor. The waiter wiped up the spilled soup immediately. Wipe off. To remove something from a surface by wiping, usually dirt, dust, liquids, or something visible. Please wipe off the crumbs from the table. He wiped off the raindrops from the window. He wiped off the sweat from his forehead. Wipe down. To clean an entire surface thoroughly, usually with a cloth or sponge, often used for bigger surfaces like tables, counters, or walls. After the party, we wiped down all the tables and chairs. Please wipe down the kitchen counter after cooking. Scrub off. To clean something by rubbing it hard, to remove dirt, stains, or marks. Scrub off the algae from the bathtub. Can you scrub off the paint from the table? Wash up. To clean yourself, usually your hands, face, or body. To clean dishes, utensils, or kitchen items, mostly in British English. You should wash up. Your hands are dirty. After the game, he went to wash up. I'll wash up the dishes after dinner. Wash off. To remove something, like dirt, paint, or makeup, from a surface by washing it with water or another liquid. Please wash off the paint before it dries. I always wash off my makeup before going to bed. He quickly washed off the mud from his legs. Dry off. To remove water or moisture from something or someone. She dried off her hair with a towel after the shower. Dry off your hands before touching the phone. The towel is wet. Use another one to dry off. Dry out. To make something completely dry, or to become completely dry, especially after being wet or soaked. After swimming, we left our swimsuits to dry out in the sun. The paint has dried out, you can touch it now. The wet ground will dry out by afternoon. Dust off. To clean something by removing dust. Dust off the cupboard doors, they're a bit dusty. He dusted off the photo frames this morning. Rinse off. To wash something quickly with water, to remove dirt, soap, or any unwanted substance. Rinse off the vegetables before cooking. Please rinse off the spoon, it looks sticky. Throw away. To get rid of something by putting it in the trash. Throw away the leftovers, they've gone bad. Don't throw away that bottle, I can reuse it. Put away. To place something in its proper place, usually after using it. Don't leave your clothes on the floor, put them away. Please put away the groceries in the fridge. Sweep up. To clean a floor or surface by using a broom, to collect dirt, dust, or debris. Can you sweep up the kitchen floor? It's full of crumbs. Don't forget to sweep up under the table. Mop up. To clean up a liquid or spill using a mop or cloth. The janitor is mopping up the classroom after lunch. Please mop up the bathroom floor after your shower.